Hello everyone. The Office of the Public Protector has completed its Phala Phala investigation and an interim report has been completed. The acting executive manager of the office's investigations branch, Vusimuzi Dlamini, told the African Transformation Movement leader Vuyolwetsi Zungula in a letter on 20 January. ATM complained to the Public Protector in the letter. Dlamini gave Zungula a status update on the investigation into allegations that Ramaphosa violated the Executive Ethics Code after the theft of dollars that were hidden at his game farm, Phala Phala, in Waterberg, Limpopo on 9 February 2020. In a letter, Dlamini said kindly be advised that the investigation into this matter has been completed. The investigation team has already drafted an interim report. According to the communication, the interim report will go through internal review structures for quality assurance purposes. Dlamini said once the quality assurance process is completed, the interim report shall then be served to the relevant parties. In line with the rules relating to the investigations by the Public Protector and matters incidental thereto, 2018 has promulgated under Section 711 of the Public Protector Act to allow them to comment on the interim on the intended findings before the report is made final. He also indicated that further progress on new developments will be communicated to Zungula. Zungula welcomed the update but indicated that the progress on the investigation was taking a long time. What's your take on this particular issue, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.